Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.in and today we have with us a pretty unique product. So this in front of you is a Nutrimake complete meal starter pack which includes 3 flavors of the meal and a shaker bottle. So this is the shaker bottle. You can see it's written Nutrimake your complete nutrition, and this bottle looks like the protein shaker bottle which you generally use in your gym. So the bottle feels a pretty good quality and the color combination also looks pretty nice with black and green. So inside the shaker you get this spring so that whenever mixing your meal inside the powder meal inside this bottle, it will get mixed up well. Now checking out the Nutrimake, the complete meal packet. So here you can see it's written, this is the classic original edition of the Nutrimake meal. So the tagline is a nutritious meal anytime, anywhere. So in the starter pack you get 3 flavors. The classic original, the dark chocolate and the alkanet flavor. Now checking out some nutritional facts, you can see that one serving gives around 430 calories. That is this one packet which is 100 grams. It also gives around 22 grams of protein, which is quite good. Also the MRP quoted on the pack is around 99 rupees. And the making of the Nutrimake meal is quite easy. You just empty the packet in the blender or the shaker which you have here, and just add 3 lemon of water, and that's it. Shake it well and you can have it. So it's that easy. Now if you look at the ingredients, you can see certain wheat, soy, protein, isotate, cocoa powder, oats, sugar, sunflower seeds, finger millet, watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds, vitamin and mineral blend. So these are the products that goes inside making this Nutrimake complete meal packet. So you can see these are quite healthy items that goes inside making of this. Now let me show you how to make this. So this is the Nutrimake complete meal packet that I'm going to empty into the Nutrimake shaker. So this is the alkanet flavor. So now I have emptied the Nutrimake alkanet flavor onto this shaker. Now let me add around 300 ml of water to this. You can see we have the water markings on this shaker. So we have 100 ml to 600 ml on this. Now let us add around 300 ml of water to this shaker. You can see I have added the water and I have put the spring inside. You can see the spring is inside here. So this will help in blending the mixture well. Just need to shake it very well to just blend the mixture inside the shaker. So you just need to shake it. You can see I'm shaking it pretty well, and this is spill proof. So you can see the shaker is spill proof, so that's pretty good. I tried this and it's pretty good. It's really tasty, and with just one packet of 100 grams you can have a complete nutritional meal. So guys, as I tried the Nutrimake starter pack which had 300 grams of the all flavors and a shaker bottle, and I liked it very much, hence I got this 1.5 kg bag of the dark chocolate flavor. You also get other flavors of the 1.5 kg bag, and it's a bit cheaper too. So overall I'm pretty happy with the product, and as I was taking this and breakfast, it made me feel full till afternoon. So it's pretty good that if you're looking out for a healthy breakfast that's vegetarian, I think you should give this a try, because if you take it as breakfast you really feel full till afternoon, and it also makes you feel energetic too. So guys, that was my quick video. I hope you like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such cool videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, for more such cool reviews and stuff. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon. My next one. Until, peace out.